beauties, welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much Brennas hair for sponsoring this hair video. They sent me over this gorgeous 26-inch 13x4 frontal unit, and as you guys can see, it got a little color in the front. I guess you can call this like a skunk stripe or whatever. It's so gorgeous. But let's just get into it really quick. So on their website, when you click the link below, I don't want you guys to get confused, because on the pictures this looks like a color 27, but when I received it, it's giving more of a color 30. If you girls know about like color and stuff, it's giving like a color 30, but it's still like a pretty brown color, and it's definitely gorgeous for the spring, for the summer. As you guys can see, this hair came in a gorgeous wave texture, so you can wear this hair as it is, or you could straighten it like I did. I straightened it out because I just love straight hair. It's just something about straight hair that does it for me. It's just good to know that this hair straightens so well, and it's just like so silky. I did not apply any product in this hair. It's just so soft and so silky. I love when companies send me like good quality hair. Let's just get into the price of this hair. So I got a 26-inch. So when you go on their website, when you click on the link below, so it says, so you're not really going to see the lens automatically. You're going to have to click the button to the right that says select. So you just select there, and then you click the 26-inch one, and I believe this is 180 density. And guys, can you believe it's only $279? $279. Y'all know here we like affordability. You know, when I'm promoting these companies, I love for you guys to get a good deal. So this hair is only $275, a little bit below $300. So this hair is perfect for the summer. And what's good about this company is they have so many wigs to offer. When they asked me what wig I wanted to review, I was like, girl, y'all have so many gorgeous wigs, and this company is so sweet. The customer service is 10 out of 10, and I definitely think you guys should shop with Brennas hair. Again, all the information will be in the description below. This is definitely giving, you know, natural. You know, you can wear this to work every day. It's definitely natural. If you like thicker density in hair, they definitely have it to offer. They have, hold on, they have a 150 density, 180, and 250. So if you like super thick hair, get 250. If you like a natural hair density, then you should definitely get 180 density, which is the one I have in my head. And yes guys, thank you so much Brennas hair for sending me this gorgeous unit. See you guys in my next one. Bye.